So I want to explain a little bit more about what virtual therapy is and why we're implementing it. We have all these innovations in healthcare that we're trying to utilize to improve our outcomes, decrease cost, and make everything more convenient for our patients. And virtual therapy definitely checks all those boxes. And there's two parts to it. There's a remote patient monitoring and a therapy portion. The remote patient monitoring is basically us tracking your data and analyzing it and making sure that everything is progressing the way it should, right? And then the therapy portion is having a therapist who does video chats with you, weekly to make sure that you're doing your exercises appropriately and that everything is progressing the way that it should, that your technique is correct, that you're doing exercises that don't cause severe pain, and that you're making the progress that you should. And so the thing that the overruling thing that's most important for me as a shoulder doctor is to give you the best outcome for your shoulder. And if you look at in-person therapy versus doing everything on your own from home, as long as the exercises done at home are done correctly and under the guidance of someone who knows what correct exercises look like, the outcome is the same. So your outcome will be identical. We have a whole team of people that help get this set up and make it as easy as possible for you as a patient. So, but the key is you have to do the exercises, right? That's what I always tell patients. Therapy is doing exercises, exercising your shoulder in a certain way that doesn't cause pain but still builds strength and mobility. And you can do that through several different mechanisms. And so by doing this from home and being able to track your data, it allows us to give you a great outcome at a much lower cost and more convenient on your time. So, but the key is you have to call and get it set up and do it, right? And if you do it, you're improving the odds of fixing your problem, which is why you came to see us as a patient, because you have a problem with your shoulder. So I think it's a wonderful innovation. It's just continuing to get better the longer that we implement the system with PT Genie. So make sure that you contact PT Genie, get the program set up, and when you see us back, as long as you're doing the exercises appropriately, your odds of fixing your shoulder are much higher. So we have a whole team of people to answer any questions you have, and we look forward to seeing you back.